In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Zara gift card. If you've received a Zara gift card and you're ready to use it for an online purchase, the process is very simple. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can apply your gift card without any confusion and complete your order smoothly. Start by opening Zara. You can do this through the Zara app or by going to the Zara website in your browser, depending on how you usually shop. Once you're in, take a moment to browse and choose the items you want to buy. As you find something you like, add those items to your bag. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review your bag to make sure you've selected the correct sizes, colors, and quantities, since this helps avoid issues later during checkout. When everything looks good, go to checkout. This is the stage where you'll enter your payment and delivery details and confirm your purchase. Move through the checkout process until you reach the payment section. Here, you'll need to select gift card as your payment method. This tells Zara that instead of paying with a bank card or another option, you want to use the balance available on your gift card. After selecting the gift card option, you'll be asked to enter the card details. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number exactly as it appears on the card. Then enter the 3-digit CVV. It's important to enter both sets of numbers accurately because even a small mistake can prevent the card from being accepted. If you're copying the numbers from a physical card or an email, take your time and double-check everything before continuing. Once the information is entered, click Apply. This should add the gift card to your order and apply the available balance toward your total. At this point, pay attention to the updated payment summary. If the gift card covers the full amount, you'll be able to continue and finalize the purchase. If it only covers part of the total, Zara may ask you to provide another payment method for the remaining balance. Finally, complete your order. Review all the details one last time, including your delivery address, items, and final payment amount, then place the order. And that's it. That's how to redeem a Zara gift card and use it toward your purchase online.